this week's pistol duel.
So what we're going to do, guys, we are going to do a pistol duel. Okay, whichever one wins gets to pick which side you are going to start. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to count down from 5 down to 1. As I'm counting down from 5 to 1, you will walk forwards. Once I hit 1, you will turn and shoot. You will turn and shoot on 1. Okay. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoot. 1, shoot. Keep going. Oh, he hit him. Well done, well done. Well done, little man.